Before takeoff, every onboard system must wake up and prepare for controlled, intelligent flight. Inside the airframe, every structural component is positioned to maximize strength while minimizing unnecessary weight. Beneath the shell, mechanical, electrical, and computing systems connect into one integrated engineering platform. Everything begins inside the lithium polymer battery, where stored chemical energy becomes usable electrical power. Power spreads throughout the aircraft, supplying stable electricity to processors, sensors, communication hardware, and propulsion electronics. The flight controller starts its initialization sequence, checking hardware, communication buses, and essential operating functions before flight. Next, the inertial measurement unit activates, bringing the drone's primary motion sensors online for continuous measurement. Within milliseconds, internal diagnostics confirm every critical subsystem is functioning correctly and ready for safe operation. Tiny MEMS structures begin detecting motion with extraordinary sensitivity, measuring movements invisible to the human body. The gyroscope continuously measures rotational movement across 3 axes, providing orientation data for every future flight decision. Working beside the gyroscope, the accelerometer measures linear acceleration, helping the aircraft distinguish true movement from changes in orientation. A miniature barometric sensor continuously estimates altitude by measuring tiny changes in atmospheric pressure with remarkable precision. The magnetometer detects Earth's magnetic field, giving the drone a reliable reference for heading and directional awareness. The GNSS receiver begins locking onto navigation satellites, establishing the precise geographic position required for autonomous flight. After multiple satellites are acquired, accurate timing data allows the receiver to calculate the drone's exact location. Sensor information now flows into the flight controller, where every measurement is synchronized for real-time processing and analysis. Sensor fusion combines independent measurements into one accurate model of the drone's position, orientation, speed, and motion. With its flight model complete, the aircraft now understands exactly where it is. Before responding to any command, the pilot moves the control stick, sending the drone's very first flight command through the wireless communication link. Before reacting, the flight controller compares the incoming command with the aircraft's current condition and calculated flight model. Using live sensor data, the flight controller calculates the precise response needed to execute the pilot's command safely. The PID algorithm continuously predicts, corrects, and refines every control output to maintain smooth, stable flight. Those corrections become high-speed PWM signals, transmitted simultaneously to every electronic speed controller with precise timing. Each electronic speed controller converts battery power into synchronized 3-phase current for its brushless motor. Rotating magnetic fields inside every brushless motor transform electrical energy into smooth mechanical torque with exceptional efficiency. That torque rapidly spins the carbon fiber propellers, forcing large volumes of air downward to generate aerodynamic lift. As lift increases beyond the aircraft's weight, the drone smoothly rises from the ground under balanced thrust. 4 independent propulsion systems work together continuously, keeping the aircraft stable throughout its controlled vertical climb. Reaching its target altitude, the drone settles into a steady hover through constant micro-adjustments across all 4 motors. Although it appears motionless, the flight controller is continuously balancing thrust hundreds of times every second. A sudden crosswind pushes against the airframe, causing the drone to drift slightly away from its stable hovering position. The inertial measurement unit instantly detects the unexpected rotation and acceleration, reporting every change to the flight controller. Using fresh sensor data, the flight controller recalculates the aircraft's attitude and determines the exact correction required. Immediately, updated commands reach every motor through the speed controllers, adjusting thrust independently until balance is gradually restored again. Within moments, the drone returns to a perfectly stable hover, completing the correction almost before the pilot notices anything. Attention now shifts beneath the aircraft, where the 3-axis camera gimbal begins actively stabilizing every camera movement during flight. Precision brushless actuators continuously counter every aircraft movement, keeping the camera perfectly level while the drone continues maneuvering smoothly. Mounted on the stabilized platform, the FPV camera captures every scene before converting light into high-speed digital image data. The onboard imaging processor compresses the video stream in real time, preparing efficient wireless transmission with extremely low delay. The encoded video reaches the remote controller almost instantly, allowing the pilot to experience the drone's live perspective continuously. When pilot communication is lost, the flight controller immediately activates return to home, switching safely into autonomous navigation mode. Using satellite positioning and onboard sensors, the drone calculates the safest route before flying accurately toward its recorded home point. Arriving above the launch site, the aircraft performs a controlled descent and lands smoothly through continuous thrust adjustments. From battery power to autonomous landing, every subsystem has worked together through one synchronized engineering process without interruption. Every stable flight is the result of countless invisible calculations, proving that modern drones are extraordinary engineering systems, not simply flying cameras.